The Career Acceleration Program in Consulting has been designed by the Esade Careers Consulting team to support MBA students with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the competitive world of management consulting. This exclusive program combines theoretical and practical sessions to take participants to the next level in their preparation for personal and case interviews.
And when I realized that there's a CAP that I can participate in, I thought that'd be a great option for me to learn more about the industry, to see if it's a good fit for me, and to see what my options are within the industry.
The CAP Consulting includes the participation of leading consulting firms from around the world, where experienced consultants share key insights and trends about hot topics in consulting.
We have been part of this cohort in the past 10 years ago, so it's always good to come back to school and help the candidates bring up their consulting skills.
I see a lot of benefits in collaborating with the Esade students because they're coming from so many different countries with such diverse background and experiences.
Not only did I get to meet the companies firsthand and get an insight into the MBBs and also the application process, but also professionals started training with us, doing case interviews, going through fit interviews, and kind of like helping us ease into the process of preparing us on ourselves for our interviews for consulting.
My main takeaway from the CAP is basically the comprehensive skills in terms of hard and soft skills that are required for an interview. So with certainty, I will go with more confidence through my interview processes.
There's a different profile of candidates coming in, which will really help us also to get the right talent back in the company.
My advice to them would be listen carefully, ask as many questions as possible, especially to those people that have worked at the companies that they're trying to get into, and then also use the tips to practice as much casing as possible.